Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you new drawing tools feature in Filmora 13. You can use drawing tools to create highlight animation video, graph animations, or even simple shape animation which can be used to make logo animation. First, let's see where you will get these drawing tools. On timeline toolbar, you will see this square icon. This is a drawing tools. When you click on it, you will get 4 drawing tools: rectangular, arrow, ellipse, and triangular shape. Select the shape and draw it on a preview screen. When you draw any shape on a preview screen, you will get the X and Y scale and position info for that particular shape. In same way, you can draw any other shape on a preview screen. Then from setting menu, you can adjust the X and Y scale, position of the shape, rotation, and you can give radius to the corner of the shape. It means you can make the round shape edges. Then with fill effect, you can change the color of the shape, or you can choose gradient fill option to create gradient color according to your choice. Also, you can change the angle of the gradient, and if you need only outline of the shape, just toggle off the fill effect. Then under border, you can change the color of the border, and with thickness, you can adjust the border thickness. Now let me show you how to make a highlight animation using these shapes. First, drop your footage on the timeline and then adjust the scale and position. Then select the rectangular shape and draw the shape over the area which you want to show highlighted. Then from fill, choose the color of your choice and off the border effect. Now, as you know, this is a shape and you can't change the blend mode. For that, right click on a shape and convert it to compound clip. Select compound clip and change blend mode. You can try out the different blend mode, but for me the best is color burn. Now unlink the scale and adjust the Y scale, then adjust the X scale and set X to 2. Then adjust the X position and set X to 0. Then on X scale keyframe and position keyframe. After 20 frames, change X to 100 and adjust the position. Now when you play your clip, you will get highlight animation. That's simple to use and create animations using drawing tools. Download the Filmora now and try this new drawing tools. See you all in my next video. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye.